All right, this is the catalog of CoTrackPro apps. We'll go through each one of them really quickly. This one is the audit app. This is for compliance and tracking for CoTrackPro. This app helps police officers create police reports using additional documentation methods. This is the Invest app. This helps you figure out the investment you can potentially make to impact your community. This one is the PACT app. This one is actually designed for children to help develop more positive behaviors. This one is the Reform app. This is to help with justice reform. This is the Workplace app. This is a training and development app using the content inside of CoTrackPro. This is the Makeup app. This is the one used for making up time with your co-parent, kind of like a calculator for that. This one is the Legislation Pack app. This one helps anyone who's involved with justice reform rewrite legislation to make it easier for their legislators, policymakers. This one is the Courts Hub app. This one is designed to create a partnership with the courts with a proposal. This is the Dashboard app. This is the prototype that pulls everything into CoTrackPro once it's ready for the enterprise grade solution. This one is the University app. This one's designed to partner with universities, and there's a variety of interactive modules that you can kind of play and test with. This one is the School app. This one is designed for making educational decisions as far as which school and how you're going to work with the school. This one is the Apology Coach app. This one helps you create apologies using the AI that's built inside. It's really clever. This one is the Clerk app. This one is designed for court clerks to improve their productivity. There's also a mental health app to help cope with some of the stress that involved with clerks. This one is the Kids app. This one is a super fun one that allows kids and parents actually, learn how to manage conflict better. So there's a lot of interactivity where kids can get involved. This is the Bias Bus app. This helps educate as far as bias in the courtroom. So there's different types of bias to be aware of. So there's training and interactivity. And actually a risk assessment that lets you know how much bias is involved with this specific case. This is the IEP app. This is mainly designed for those who work with kids at school for their IEP. This is the Suicide app. This helps more of a mental health app to help you understand some of the traumatic things that can happen and how to be able to cope with it. This one is the Pray app. This helps you generate prayers and thoughts for not just other people, but also for yourself. If you're not sure necessarily what to say, this helps put some words down matching your specific thing. This is the Best Interest Bingo app. This is an interactive game for professionals and for parents too, to learn what's in the best interest of the child. So there's a lot of fun interactive things once you get started with that. This is the Education app. This is designed for the education that's involved with the child. So this is the Scenarios app. This is a fun interactive game, a role-playing game where a lot of different professionals can learn different scenarios and how to be able to respond to it. This is the Help app. Once you go through this, you'll figure out which CoTrackPro app to use. This is the Foundations app. This was one to kind of help you build character as you're starting to rebuild and make sure that people know the work that you've done. This is the Parenting Plan app. This helps generate parenting plans. It's super fun. There's 20 steps that are involved with that, so you don't leave out any details. This is the Money app. Think of this as like the Quicken for co-parenting. So there's a ledger, there's calculators, really interesting what you can find from the Money app. This is the Tax app, which is different from the Money app because this focuses mainly on taxes. How to file, or not how to file, but different types of filing methods and benefits, risks associated. This is the Cost app. If you're trying to figure out how to evaluate how much it's going to cost to go to or have a divorce, all the way ranging from nice and collaborative all the way to litigation. This is the Decisions app. This helps co-parents evaluate decisions that they have so they can hopefully come to an agreement. This is the Peace app. This is super fun for mediators to kind of create a case, to figure out what makes sense. And then there's also communication modules that help write and rewrite messages. This is the Talk app. This is a secure phone and video call app that also has a built-in CRM and scripts you can use with your co-parent. This is the Bridges app. This helps rewrite communication, and you can actually take a nasty message, throw it through the Bridges app, and it'll come up with a kind, collaborative reply. This is the Grace app. This helps you learn how to have more grace with others who might be a little bit more difficult, and also grace with yourself. This is the CASA app. This is designed for court-appointed special advocates. This helps with messaging, framing, all around to support children and their well-being. This is the GAL Navigator app. This helps those who serve as a guardian ad litem for the court representing kids. This will track all the information about the child, so that way you can make good decisions as far as custody schedules and so forth. This is the Expert Prep app. This is for expert witnesses who are preparing to go to court. There's a variety of different features that come up with questionings and checklists and things, so that way you can be prepared and confident going in. This is the Judge Tools app. This is designed specifically for judges if they were going to manage the cases individually, so they can try to figure out different decisions moving forward. This is the Evaluate app. This is great for custody evaluators to decide between both parents what are their strengths and weaknesses, and a variety of different ranking risk factors that are involved with this. This is the Mental app. This is great for those that are either therapists, professionals that are responsible for any mental health improvement. Definitely worth checking out. This is the Cyber app. This is great for schools and parents and kids who might experience cyberbullying. So this is kind of tracks evidence, and there's a risk score and all kinds of fun features to help learn how to manage challenging online behavior. This is the Protection Order app. This actually guides you what a protection order is. A lot of steps involved with this. There's interactive features for you to check out, especially if your safety is being threatened. This is the Legal app. This is great for attorneys and parents to be able to track evidence and create a timeline. This is the Coordinator app. This is for if you serve as a parenting coordinator. So this is involved with schedules and so forth. So it's great for those getting parents aligned on a specific schedule. This is the Visitation app. If you are a supervised visit manager, you can kind of help not just schedule the visits in here, but also have the reporting built-in structure, so you're not just working with a PDF or a blank piece of paper. This is the Jail app. This was designed for inmates to be able to use AI to communicate with the outside world and writing letters, drafts, and safety concerns. And that's it. That's in the catalog right now. So stay tuned for more of these. And also there's a way where you can give feedback for that. So we'll make sure we'll put that link to giving feedback for the CoTrackPro apps, so we can continuously improve these for you. Have a great day.